Find the sum of greatest and smallest number which may replace k in the number 328 to make the number divisible by 6. To be divisible by 6, it should be divisible by 3 and 2. If a number is divisible by 6, it should be divisible by both 3 and 2. Here, if a number is divisible by 3, its digital sum should be divisible by 3. That is, here 3281k6 is divisible by 3 means its digital sum is equal to 8 plus 1 is 9, 6 plus 3 is 9. That is 2 plus k, its digital sum. It should be divisible by 3. Now k should be 2 plus 1 is 3. K can be 1. 2 plus 4 is 6. So k can be 4. 2 plus 7 is 9. So k can be 147, but we need small and largest number. So here 4 eliminated, that is 1 plus 7. We need, our answer is 1 plus 7. Smallest number is 1 and largest number is 7. So 8. Option 2 is your answer.